Hello everybody. Here in front of me I have the prickly pear cactus plant that I have, and I have one of them that is ripened. It's right here. This one is ripened. Um, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cut this sucker open and give it a try and see how it tastes. So I'm gonna take you over to the table where we cut it open and give it a try. So let's see how the prickly pear cactus tastes. There's Turtle. She's just sitting here enjoying the day. It was a rainy day earlier, and it's turned out to be a nice, beautiful, sunny day. And it's absolutely gorgeous down here right now. So, I almost lost the stand. Didn't have this thing set correctly. But there we go. I think we're all set. So we'll go ahead and get this thing cut. Give it a try. There's the fruit that's on the inside of it. Doesn't look like anything spectacular. Oh, there it is. I cut a little bit deeper, and there's that deep purple color to the fruit. So that's just fantastic. Looks like there might be some seeds that are inside of it as well. So here we go. Bottoms up. Not the greatest of fruits, but you know, in times of dire straits and you need something to eat, it's definitely worth eating. It's not bad, but it's not great either. But it's edible. It's sweet. It's good, and it does come with seeds. A couple of them. But yeah, it comes with small little seeds, teeny little seeds in there. But yeah, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it a 5. It's not the best of things. It's not like eating a peach or a grape where they're super sweet. This thing isn't super sweet, but you know, if you're hungry and that's all that you have to eat, like I say, you're in dire straits, then that's the way to go. But that's all I got to say about the prickly pear. It's edible, but it's not the best thing on the planet. But if you're hungry and you need a meal, eat a prickly pear. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you around.